Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair. Okay, just now I have gone with sellers. Why? If you check, overall trend is a downtrend and previously just now the market has been entered to a buying area. And one more thing, at the area where the sellers are entering continuously and there is a trend line which is too strong. So that reason only I have gone with sellers here. And if you notice one thing, already the market entered to a buying area. And if you notice at present scenario, can't you find any rejections continuously? Which means buyers are interested, am I right? So I will do one thing. Now I will go with buyers because this area is already the buyer's area. I have been shown the area also. So here at these kind of situations, sometimes the market could respect and easily could go down, or it will show some rejections. It's a sign that the market wants to change its direction. So at these kind of scenarios, you should be cautious. And one more thing, here what reasons made me to go with buyers? Here if you notice, there are rejections continuously. If the candles are strong, why can't it make a strong breakout to the downwards? So that's the reason only. Here at this kind of areas, you should be checked twice whenever you are trading in the market. Okay, and this is a OTC pair, so try to remember this thing also. There is nothing difference between OTC and the real market. Here we got, see, at the last we got win and it was a weak candle, even though we should now go with buyers only. Okay, I will explain you one thing. The difference between in the OTC and binary, the price action will work, the levels will work both in the markets, but the reality is sometimes the level will easily break in the OTC market. Maybe in the form of momentums, maybe some area which will resist previous areas. So that's why only most of the people will say don't trade on OTCs, rest all the same things. Okay, here as you see, last candle we predicted for buying, but it made a weak candle. That it doesn't mean that the market tries to go down. Even the candle has been formed as red. If you check the size of the candle, easily you can understand. It didn't made a new low, it even before the close of the previous week area only. So you should get these points. Don't take decision by one candle. Okay, what is the next candle? Can I go with buyers? Yes, I will go only with buyers. You can ask, sir, there is a trend line, I have a weak candle, still why I could go with sellers, right? Yes, you can go with sellers, but if you notice one thing, already same scenario has been happened before, where just 3 candles before the candle has been respected, which shows weakness continuously, that the trend line wants to break out. If you see, the market didn't even made a new lows also, it was respecting continuously in the below the wick levels only. So these conditions make me to take trade for the buying candle. And where is my next reversal here? There is a level in the top just now. The market is entering. Previous support become resistance. And it's a SNR area. Already buyers have been entered. Previously the sellers also have been entered. If the candle close exact at the level, I will take a reversal. Okay. See, I can go with a reversal now. Am I correct? So I have taken with reversal candle. Maybe this is a OTC market, so that's why the momentum is too fast. That's why I'm getting late entries. Okay, whatever it is, you should understand the point what I am talking about. Okay, so here I think you have got the scenario that the market is trying to move as of now. Already the terminal has been breakout. So what is your in mind? So the market could move sideways, or it will break the level and it could go to the uptrend. See, these only scenarios will be. So you should be prepared that what kind of decisions the next move will be. One, you should accept that the market could go sideways. Sideways, which means you can use a horizontal levels. Once the market has been breakout, you should wait for a uptrend. That's it. So don't think much in the binary market. Just go with the flow only. What is the next candle? Can I go with buyers? You can say, sir, it is a strong candle. Why can't I go with sellers again? Yes, you can go with sellers here. But left side, if you check, the rejections, the area previously where it has been started, the market has been closed at the same point. So you can't expect a sellers here. Okay. So try to go with buyers. So you should understand these points, because most of the people will face losses at this kind of trend changing momentum only. When the trend changing area only, the market will show mutual, which means both equal power. Like it will show that the market could go up or it will go down. But you should be cautious at that area only. Sometimes try to wait, sometimes take trades at the levels only. So if you take the trades at the levels, means you will get a clarity. Some people will wait after the scenario has been continued, you can go ahead. Okay, I won't take this trade. Try to predict. What is the next candle now? I won't take trade for this. You try to predict. Kindly mention me in the comments whether you are correct or wrong, because even you should analyze the market, right, at the same time with me. So try to check these things. So whenever you are trading in the market, you should observe these all things. Then only you can identify the areas. And one more thing, if you really like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos regarding binary trading. Okay. I think what is the answer? I think up to now I need comments. Okay. Because by mentioning in the comments, maybe you could understand that you are learning something new. So that's why only I'm asking to do comments. There is nothing much else. Okay. Okay. Here buying. Okay. I got nice opportunity to show you one thing. Okay. Here I will go with buyers. Okay. Let me take a buying trade for you first of all, because I want to show you one thing. 1 second. I will go in by buyers. Okay. Why? Here I can say two things. Here continuously buying candles to confirmation. So there is a still gap. So I will go with buyers. Okay. See, we'll see what will happen. How many are saying that it is not a good idea to here I am going with buyers? Kindly mention me in the comments, because this trade I want to show you something. That's it. So that's why only I have taken this trade, because here I will mention the reasons first of all. Yeah, you have a one opportunity to go with buyers because two buying confirmations. But if you check, the candle is strong. The candle shows any new high? No, right? Then how could you go with buyers? That is the point I'm talking about. See, this is the reality. So now what is the next candle? Can I go with buyers now? Already the sellers have been entered. And if you notice, the market is moving in a sideways as of now. You can check that clearly. Okay. So I will do one thing. I will go with buyers here. Nothing will happen. Easily we can win this trade. So I will go with buyers. This is the confident trade. Okay. So you should understand the points what I'm talking about, because most of the people will think that here I have a confirmation, that here I have something that I can easily win. Maybe they will add compounding amounts, maybe whatever it is. So they will end up with losses. So try to understand this point. Okay. So whenever you are trading in the market, easily try to understand the market. Then only easily you can survive in this field. Okay. If you really get something messy, means try to write in a book, add a notes, then easily you can find out the next time you won't repeat the mistake again. Okay. Here, what did you understand? I have continuously rejection. Okay, I will do one thing. Already have rejections here. Possibility have both things. One, the market will. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take a reversal trade, but this candle will be maximum as a buying candle only. Why? Because I don't have entry point to go with buyers. So I have taken a reversal trade, that which could easily make me helpful. And I can mention you one point here. One, the market is moving at a zone. Second thing, there is a level in the left side. And if you notice, the market is showing continuously rejections. So I have done one thing. Maybe previous scenario, after one buying candle, you can expect a one retracement, minor one. So that's why only I have taken maximum margin of safety. Okay, easily we'll see what will happen here. Maybe if this was a green candle, I will show you definitely a nice point. Yeah, super. Okay, now I will confidently go with buyers. Okay, let me go with buyers. I will show you one thing. Okay, here I have gone with buyers. In the previous scenario also, same I have gone with buyers, but there is a red candle. But why here strong buyers are getting entered? Can you say anyone? This is the difference. Same scenario. Previous also, two candles have been continuously formed. There I got loss. Here this much strong buyers. Why? Can I know that? This thing I need in the comments, because this is the main point I want to show you today. Maybe I got really nice coincidence that both the things I have got today to show up you. So it is really nice. So here, kindly mention this. Previously, same scenario has been happened. There I have been lost. Here, the buyers are getting too strong. Why? Can I know the reasons? Okay, here I got win. It's okay. Now left side there is no level. Maybe I could go with buyers, right? Okay, I will do one thing. I will continue with buyers. Okay, the sellers, maybe retracement. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take margin of safety also, one more trade. Okay, we'll see what will happen. In binary, even if you get losses also, don't worry, because you need to accept these things. Because every trade, every time you can't win. But if you have confidence, if you have trading mindset, means you won't bother about losses. You will focus on the what is the next candle, what the move should you pick up. So if you maintain this thing, easily you can survive in this market. Don't look up to the losses. Maybe in the market, because you are trading in a 1 minute, right? So one or two candles will lose. Even sometimes there is no level, whatever it is, retracement. See here, I have taken one more trade. Even I have got loss because it is a strong candle. Okay, now what should I do? I can go with buyers here confidently now, because there is no level. Maybe I could get one or two retracements because it's a OTC market. We can't say that. So this time I have been confidently taken with compounding amount. Why? Because previous resistance becomes support. Let me adjust you the level, then you can identify. That's why I am mentioning you so many times. If you trade at the levels, you have clarity. When you are trading at the blind area, means it will be 50-60. Previously what I have thought, there is a momentum, so no rejections also, so market could go easily higher, but it given us a one retracement. So that is the point I'm talking about. Sometimes you will get one or two losses. You should accept these things. Later, whenever you have a confident area, yeah, go blindly with the trades. Then easily you can identify the opportunities. See? So try to understand these things, then only easily you can see here my previous level. So exactly the market has been closed. Market momentum after one candle, I have gone with continuation. Now again you can go with buyers, yeah, because the market already respecting, right? When it is respecting, try to maintain the respect. That's it. No need to think much. Already the market has been breakout, again retested, again you got a buying sign. So what do you expect? Obviously you can go with buyers. I think I have taken so many trades. After this, I will show you my history and I will close the session. Okay. Maybe in this video, I have some satisfaction that there is a unique point that you could understand better. Previous same buying candles too, it was loss by, but now why it was win? I need this in comments. And one more thing, there is a candle I didn't take trade. For that also I need answers. Okay, keep me posted in the comments. Okay. After this, I will show you my history and I will close the session. See, you can check my history, obviously. Okay. Okay, guys. Finally, it got to win. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.